I'm back with the brick game project. Yay! And there are some good news and some good news. I just removed the this thing for the buttons. It's just like in a keyboard, like half of a rubber membrane keyboard, and the rubber membrane makes the contact between the uh, two leads, whatever you call it. I removed it from the main board. Yeah, let's call this the main board. And you can see shiny little pads here that I can solder to. So I can make the keys, the buttons out of these little things that have not such a great life as uh, computer keyboards. They are rated for 100,000 presses. But for Tetris, I think that's enough, even though computer keyboards support at least 1 or 2 million presses, so 10 times more. But yeah, I think these are cheap enough and I'll make them replaceable. So that's the plan. I'm going to replace this with wiring and with these little switches. So let's see. I'm going to keep the original buttons that go here, and I'm going to mount the switches to a piece of plexiglass, which may not be the best idea, but this is what I have. This is what I have chosen before I even started the project. So yeah, we'll try this. If it doesn't work, then maybe some other material. But it seems strong enough, slightly flexible, and it does chip. When I cut it, it got chipped. I cut it with a standard wood blade. So yeah, maybe you want something with smaller teeth, but I think I succeeded. Just one little crack here and a few broken off parts, like one, two, three, four broken off parts. This part I went faster here with the same blade. I mean at higher speed, not necessarily going. And that turned out fine. So yeah, I still need more experience with plexiglass. So yeah, my plan here is to put this plexiglass here where it will fit in the center like that, and draw all the buttons here with a marker, and then I'll mount the switches, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So let's see, can I do it right? Yeah, I need to keep the angle constant, the angle of the pen to the brick game, because there's quite a distance and the holes could get distorted, but I think it's okay. Yeah, we have the holes there. Where did I put the cap? So I think we can start drilling for the for the legs. Let's see. Does it matter on which side this is? So it will be like this. Oh yeah. It has to be on this side. So the switches will come close here, but maybe for these non-important buttons I use something else. Like I have some of these smaller switches like this. I don't know yet how I'll mount it. Maybe I'll solder on some legs. But these are more appropriate for non-directional. This is not for gaming, it's for selecting in the menu. So yeah, maybe I'll put some of these small switches up here and bigger buttons down there. But it's not a problem. Maybe just one here, so this can fit like that. Yeah. So let's see. I have a drill here with 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter. Maybe that will be kind of big, but I don't have a smaller one. I broke it. So yeah, I need to drill holes with this for the legs. So 4 on each circle. And I have to make sure that the contact is in the center. So as usual, I'll do it by eyesight. I mean guesstimate where it should be. So yeah, just drill 4 holes. Yeah, sounds easy enough. Let's put something under it, like a piece of wood or something. Or what do I have here? I don't have wood. Come on, man. A nice piece of wood. Is it so much to ask? Then we'll use a piece of copper to protect the desk. And do I do it like that? I don't have any. Wait, I have to move this. I have to move the camera. Oh boy. This is jerry-rigged here. Oh boy. We have to move it like that. And if you would see how it's jerry-rigged, you'd laugh. Yeah. Okay, so now I have enough clearance here to start drilling, but this is not an ideal position. I don't know how it would be better. So I need I have one of these that is the top of a switch that I took apart, so I can know where the oh yeah, the holes need to be like this and not perfectly square, because the legs are to the side, not top and bottom. The legs are to the side, as you can see. So yeah, let's pretend we know what we're doing. And maybe I should create a template and mark the... Is it really worth that much effort? Because I can bend it afterwards. If I do something horribly wrong, let me just compare this here. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay. So the holes need to be almost exactly at the holes on this piece of metal. Okay. So I don't know. I just start drilling. I don't like precision with this $2 Tetris game. So one will come here, probably. Let me see. So just put it there. It has to be somewhat in the center. Like that. And the hole will come. Yeah. Okay, it can touch the circle. It's not a problem. Oops. Okay. That's one, but I think I'll hold it in my hand. Hopefully I won't wipe off the... So let's see what's the distance here. Is that okay? Yeah, It's okay. So it can touch the circle and okay. I mean, it's not straight, not completely straight, but it will do the job. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Oops, okay. And another one here. Okay, so this doesn't look very good, but if we put it in, the button should be in the middle. I think I'll have to glue it down. Okay, but it's in the middle. I was worried too much. I can even bend the legs a little if it's not perfectly in the middle. So let's try it out. In this, you put in this, and you put in this, like that. Perfect place. And if you press it, man, it kind of looks ugly. Yeah, this will have to be precise because oh, let me just put it down on the table. That works, I think. Yeah, not really, because I have some stuff sticking out here. But yeah, it will be fine. I'll just have to adjust the height of the things. So yeah, maybe I'll be more competent if I do a couple more of these. So like that. Yeah. And on the outside, that went into my finger a bit, but no problem. Okay, so this went a little better, and it's almost wow. I mean, yeah, let's get rid of the shadows. It's almost symmetrical. It's almost good. Almost in the middle. That's good. Okay, so 7 more. Let's see here. It doesn't have to be straight, just in the middle. Okay, and careful not to break the plexiglass. It has high tolerance because I have this 2mm drill bit. So if it's big enough, then it doesn't matter how accurate you are. And also the legs can bend. That's another nice thing. So this will be fine. Oops. Okay. Okay. Well, because of the shadows, you can't really tell. But these are quite nice, I think, for what they are. Yeah, let's put some here. I should make a template out of metal, aluminium maybe. If I'm going to do this more, then I need a template. It's not a big deal. It's easy to make. But yeah. If I'm not going to make any more of these, then maybe it's not worth it. Oh, I broke. Nope, not broken yet. Okay. I thought I broke out part of the hole by pressing too hard. Okay. So these kind of are all bent a bit, but it doesn't really matter. And now in the big hole here, the big button, that needs to be inside of the circle. Inside of the circle, completely inside of the circle. Okay, so completely inside means here. Like that. Oh, and then it will be in the other direction. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just be symmetrical. Okay, so this one will be vertical, like this, almost perfectly in the middle. Nice. Okay, so I'll have to do this for the other 4 buttons, and yeah, I think I'll end the video here and maybe show you when it's all working and assembled and stuff.